Now, today's top stories and Power of 5 weather from News 5. Sponsored by Akron Children's Hospital.
Good morning, I'm Danita Harris.
And good morning, I'm Katie Houston. We have a look at your top local stories. And we start with this. As COVID-19 cases tick back up in Ohio, more businesses are bringing back mask recommendations and requirements. Giant Eagle employees will have to start wearing masks again. And the grocery chain is, quote, strongly requesting that customers mask up too, regardless of their vaccination status. Other companies like Walmart, McDonald's, and Target are also requiring mask wearing for employees. And Cleveland-based attorney Dan Karen says businesses they can choose to enforce mask mandates, and employees do have to abide by them. If they don't, they can legally lose their job.
Now, your boss doesn't have the right to tell you not to get pregnant, protected class, but your boss has the right to tell you to wear a mask. You're an at-will employee, you don't like it, quit or run the risk of getting fired.
He also says employees can ask businesses for accommodations if they need them. That might cover things like medical conditions that perhaps make mask wearing difficult.
Canton Local Schools, which plans to return to in-person learning this month, says masks are recommended but not required in buildings, on school grounds, or on buses. But just last week, the Ohio Department of Health said masks are mandated on school buses because they're considered a form of public transit under federal rules. And as we are getting closer to the start of the school year, Ohio is seeing our highest daily number of new cases in more than 3 months. More than 1,700 new cases were reported yesterday. Nearly 800 COVID-19 patients are in hospitals, and our testing positivity rate is still above 5%.
If you would like to get a COVID-19 vaccine, the Cleveland Public Library is turning its Glenville branch into a vaccination clinic. It'll be open today from 1 to 2 in the afternoon. Anyone who gets a vaccination can also win bus passes, gift cards, and other prizes. We're all feeling like winners again today, Trent, with your forecast.
Oh, we sure are. Check this out. Numbers are fantastic today. We've got highs today into the low 80s. I mean, it is a cool start to the day, but temperatures rebound really quickly. It gets a little bit hotter each day. The last couple days have been really nice. Today's a little bit hotter than yesterday. Tomorrow's a little bit hotter than it was today. And we continue adding a couple degrees each day until we hit the 90s next week. Now, stick around here. I'll show you the 7-day forecast. It gets hot.
Sponsored by Akron Children's